I'm First Alert 4 Chief Meteorologist Steve Templeton with an update on not just one, but two First Alert weather days. Today is a First Alert weather day, and it's through this evening, through about 10 p.m. It's a very low risk because the storms are going to be very isolated, not a guarantee they even get going. But we at least want you to be alert that if a storm develops, it will be isolated this evening, could produce some hail or maybe damaging wind. Now, a better threat for storms, period, and maybe even severe weather is Tuesday, another First Alert weather day. 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the time to stay alert for the strongest storms, hail, wind, and tornadoes, all possible. This is a higher end threat, especially to the northwest, but even in St. Louis, we're in a level 2 out of 5 being the highest severe threat, and that level 3 out of 5, the highest threat, does dip down into Pike County. That orange area may actually get expanded a little farther south. Let's keep an eye on that for future updates. Bottom line is we got to stay alert, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., hail, wind, and a tornado threat for Tuesday in that late afternoon and evening. This evening, we will watch for that isolated strong storm, a lower end risk, but temperatures are going to be warm in the 80s, falling to the 70s. Now, here's the First Alert Super Predictor as we track this for tonight. You'll see the warm front may produce a storm. Not all models even develop that, but notice how isolated it is. And then it's done with. Overnight, maybe a couple showers. That's 5 a.m. Those move out, though, pretty quickly. There's 9 a.m. And then we watch in the afternoon for showers and storms to redevelop. Now, these are the storms that could be severe around 2 o'clock. In St. Louis, it'd be more towards 3, 4 o'clock. This is 4 p.m. You start to see storms develop. And there's 2 areas I'll be watching. One is here for a severe threat moving through St. Louis. But then these storms up here, those could actually pose a higher end severe risk, and they may dip a little farther south, perhaps into parts of Pike County. And again, that's why we want to watch for that enhanced level 3 that may be expanded a little farther south. But at this point, by 7 p.m., any threat for severe weather's east of St. Louis or is just to the northwest. We'll have to watch those 2 areas. Okay, this is gone by about 9 p.m. Strong storms are out, and then we are going to dry things out. And it's going to be a windy day. These are non-thunderstorm wind gusts that could kick up around 40 miles an hour, and on the trash can wind gauge, it means that you could have some trash cans that are tipped over. Not down the street, but tipped over. 40 mile an hour gusts. Definitely want to tie down some of those loose objects. So here's the planner through the day. 68 and noticeably more humid in the morning. Windy and up to 82 for the high. And especially between 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. area wide, we'll be on guard for any strong to severe storms. So that's why we have the First Alert weather day for Tuesday. Wednesday looks dry and 79. There is a chance for a shower or thunder shower. It doesn't look severe on Thursday and a high of 76. But cooler air comes spilling in by Friday. Highs in the 60s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.